Though this is a permutation combinations practice you have to do every time in your any type of program, but this is a very important questions in your interview level, and most of the interviewer love these questions. And definitely in our last few classes we have learned about switch case. Now what is switch case in Java, how its syntax, and we also learned few example in Java program that how to create a switch case program. And this is one of that example where user can enter any day number, and based on that number system will print the name of that day. That's mean if user enter any number, let's say 1, so it will match here and it will print Monday. If user enter any value, let's say 2, then system will print it's a Tuesday. Similar way, if user enter any number that is not lies between 1 to 7, then it go to the default statement and says that it's a invalid day number. So this type of syntax and this type of switch case statement we already used. Now today we will learn if we don't use this break statement in any of these, then how it will behave. So we know that what is the responsibility of this break statement, right? Let's say any user enter a value 3, so it's first check which case match this number, right? So if it's a 3, definitely it will not go under this case because it is 1. Then it is 2, here it will also not go, but it's 3, and if it's match this 3, then it will print this statement. And finally we write some break statement. Break mean it will now not go for other, it will directly exit from this switch case, right? This is we already learned, and based on that this program gave exact result. Now think, if we remove this break statement from each case, then what the behavior will look like. Let's check that. So let me first remove all the break statement from each case level. Now you can see I don't have any break statement, and let me save it using Ctrl S. So you can see here, now if any user enter day number, let's say 1, okay, so then it will match here and it will print Monday, but there is no break statement here. So is there any other statement it will print, or it will only print Monday? Let's check that. First run this one, and here you can see it asks enter the day number. Let me enter 1 so that it match the first case. So if I enter 1 and enter, then you can see it will not only print Monday but it will print all the other days. Okay, even also it's take the default statement here. Okay, why so? Because once we send a message or send a value 1, so it will match here, then it will print Monday. Now there is no break statement, that's mean it will not exit from this switch case. So what it will do, system will then go for the next statement or next case level, and each case level here executed. So you can see it again. If I make it 1 and enter, so it is basically giving me all these statement: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even default one as well. Okay, now let's run this again, and instead of let's say 1, let me put a value 3. So if I put 3, so you can now see that its number is 3, so definitely it is not matching this case label, also this case label. So that's mean it will escape this Monday and Tuesday, but it is 3, that's mean it matching here. And from this line, that is basically from Wednesday, it will automatically print all the other statement because there is no break statement here. So let's check that, run it again, and let put a value 3. So 3 means it will match here, and from Wednesday it will print everything. So you can see here, so it first match 3, as it is not 1 and 2, so it just escape these two, then it directly go here, and here it gets the matching statement 3 is equal to 3 case level, and it print Wednesday, and there is no break statement here, that's why it is printing all the remaining statement. Now if you, let's say, put a value 6, so what it will happen? So it will happen something like that. If you put 6, so 1 2 3 4 till 5, it will escape because it is not matching, but it is matching from here. So it will print Saturday, then Sunday, and again the default statement. So let me run it again and put a value 6. So that's mean it is matching from here and it should print from here. So if I enter here, so you can see it first go to this matching cache and then print Saturday, then Sunday, then the invalid one. Let me run it again and check. So if I make a 6 value here, so it's Saturday, so this is Saturday, then Sunday, Sunday, then again the default statement. So that's mean if you don't give any break statement, then all the remaining part from where the value is matching all will be executed, right? So that's why we need to give some break statement, so that if any number match, then it should exit from this switch case block and not print any other statement, right? So this is why we need to understand why the break statement is needed, or what is the exact importance of break statement. Though this is a permutation combinations practice you have to do every time in your any type of program, but this is a very important questions in your interview level, and most of the interviewer love these questions, and definitely you will get in your career, interview these type of questions again and again. So better first time when you're doing any type of switch case statement, understand what is the exact importance of break statement, and if we don't give any break statement, or if we forget to give any break statement in any case level, then how it will behave. So hope you can understand the importance of break statement. Let's meet in our next class.
I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all so that you don't miss any video from this channel.